Good evening, friends. I am Rajiv Mehta from Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, India. Thank you for being with us for next 30 minutes. We shall show you to begin with a 7 minutes small impactful video of various work that we do in health, education and hunger impacting lives of millions in our country. That should be followed by a photographic presentation of next 20 minutes showcasing you how the work makes a difference. Our work is a collaborative nature with partnerships around many interesting companies around the world, and we look forward to you to be part with us. Thank you.
Welcome to the Ratnanidhi world, a world where every child and disabled person has access to nutrition, education, clothing and mobility to develop holistically. Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust was established in 1990 by our visionary Mr. Mahendra Mehta with the mission to tackle the problems of poverty in Mumbai, especially amongst young children. Over the years, the trust has grown rapidly in its mobility, educational and other philanthropic projects, both in India and other developing countries like Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Africa. World hunger is eating away at our future. India alone inhabits 212 million undernourished people. That is 1/3 of the world's total. Ratnanidhi's Food for Education program has served 2,42,52,057 meals since 1998 with 5,61,832 meals in 42 schools in the year 2016-17 alone. Ensuring better nutrition, hence better attention at class, while lowering school dropout rates, one hot meal at a time. Along with food, clothing is another basic essential that an individual needs to sustain and survive. To give an underprivileged person a pair of clothes is as good as dressing him with self-respect. With an intent to dress the needy with dignity, our volunteers collect castaway clothes, repair and mend them if required, and package them with love to look as good as new. Ratnanidhi has donated 55,096 clothes in the last year and a total of 11,10,806 garments since the inception of the Garment Distribution Project in 1992. Food and clothing builds one's self-esteem, but knowledge makes an individual self-reliant. Ratnanidhi, in association with Alibaba Group, has launched Mission Million Books project, which seeks to donate 1 million educational books to 10,000 low-income schools and colleges in India. Exhibitions are organized in rural India where schools and colleges pick up books of their choice for their library. This has impacted the lives and minds of thousands of children in rural India. So far, we have donated 2.94 lakh books to 3,500 schools and colleges in rural Maharashtra. Ratnanidhi's collaboration with Rotary India Literacy Mission has led to a remarkable beginning of a movement that will provide inclusive and equitable education for the underprivileged and promote lifelong learning for all. We believe that we are a modern-day Robin Hood, taking from those who have and do not want, and giving it to those who need and do not have. With the aim to set up 10,000 libraries across India, this partnership will facilitate access to quality reading material for millions of children across the country, giving rise to the Aryabhattas, Einsteins and Steve Jobs of the next generation. Breaking the education cycle is exactly like a slow death. In the face of tragedy, where the earning member of the family is lost, education is often sidelined. Our education sponsorship for the children of terror victims ensures that the child looks beyond the traumatic incident and makes a place for themselves in the competitive world because they are the architects of the future. Since 2003, 391 affected students have been provided with educational sponsorship. At catastrophic times, a helping hand does a lot to revive hope and faith for the victims. Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust has always been in the forefront whenever such a natural upheaval has occurred. following heavy rain in July 2017, Ratnanidhi, in association with Share and Care Foundation USA and Rotary Club of Palanpur City, distributed kitchen utensils and 2,360 garments to 475 families affected in Banaskantha district due to floods. Ratnanidhi also provides prosthetic and orthopedic aid to the injured, giving those affected a new hope and new life. Because disability does not mean inability. According to the Census of India 2011, 2.21% of India's population is differently abled. Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust has been giving a new lease on life to those who have been deprived of the basic privileges of health and mobility through camps across India, delivering crutches, calipers, tricycles and installing artificial limbs to those in need. Since 2001, Ratnanidhi has provided 2,52,577 mobility appliances. We had also started with one more ambitious project. Ratnanidhi Leg, which has been developed in collaboration with IIT Mumbai and Google.org, leverages on 3D printing technology to deliver prosthetic legs using robotics. These low-cost prosthetic legs have increased the capacity to serve amputees. 106 field trials are being done, helping beneficiaries get accurate prosthetic legs fixed. This year, we have taken up a very ambitious challenge of making Mumbai city disability-free. Ratnanidhi is organizing mobility camps in different wards of Mumbai, generating monetary support from the local corporates and companies along with the help of local communities. Starting with A Kulava ward, this model of collaboration and partnership aims to scale up all across Mumbai and make our beloved city completely disability-free. And Mumbai is just the beginning. We aim to make a sizable dent in the world by transforming each individual from dependent to independent. It is this kind of impact that makes a world of a difference. In fact, Forbes quotes Ratnanidhi as Asia's 2017 Heroes of Philanthropy, and CNBC TV 18 has featured Ratnanidhi's efforts in the global cause of serving the community by striving to eradicate hunger, poverty and illiteracy from its roots. Our work to create this community wouldn't have been possible without the numerous collaborations with people who believed in Ratnanidhi and its vision. A vision to uproot disability, hunger and lack of education. Let's imagine the impact and let's create one together for this community called humanity.
Hello friends, I hope you have enjoyed the short video presentation of the work and impact. Now we shall take you through various photographs of different avenues of work and in detail explain you how collectively with small intervention from ourselves and you together. The trust was founded by my late father in 1990 and now my mother and myself, we are continuing the activities of the trust. We have worked globally in various parts of the world, in Africa, in Afghanistan and Dominican Republic, in America and in India. India, we have worked from Himalayas to Chennai. Next, our key areas of intervention are in disability, education, healthcare, community welfare and a COVID-19 relief work that we are currently undertaking. When we talk of disability, we have a factory manufacturing prosthetics called artificial legs, calipers for polio affected people, prosthetic hands for disabled people. These disabled people come crawling on the road to our factory. Our engineers make them sit for 4 hours, take the measurements, make the leg, fit to them, give them training how to walk, do physiotherapy treatment, and these disabled people go home back walking literally on their feet with tears in their eyes. This we do to around 4,000 people every year. We give them artificial prosthetics, all custom manufactured as per different individual body shapes and sizes. And we do such camps all over India. We as far as in Himalayas in -5 degree temperature, 12 to 13,000 feet above sea level. We did camp several times over the last decade. Now, over the last 2 years ago, Google Foundation America gave us an award to have discovered a technology to manufacture artificial leg using 3D imaging and 3D printing solutions. We take photograph of the stump of the disabled people, upload to the cloud. Our algorithm converts that photographic image to the 3D model, convert it to STL file, fed to the 3D printer, printer prints the leg. We feed the foot, we feed the leather belts, pack it in a carton, courier it to the disabled people across anywhere in the world, and he or she wears the leg like you wear your pant or shoes. With this technology, geography is history, and sitting in Bombay with a 3D and photography and the measurements, we are manufacturing legs for people across the world. To make this vision and an award which we received from Google into reality, IIT and in IIT Bombay exhibition, this is a leg which is being shown by us, which is being seen by none other than Prime Minister Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji of our country, India. And he wrote best of wishes for the wonderful technology in the visitors book at IIT Bombay for us. We also have started disability sports with champion German paracyclist Mr. Stefan Wurmans running a non-profit called Somedi Netatel, who flew down to Bombay and from Kolhapur to Bombay in 7 nights, a journey of 6 kilometers. He traveled through his hand cycling only to create awareness of the disabled people to make our society inclusive and our infrastructure accessible to them. And hundreds of cyclists across the journey of 7 days and 60 kilometers joined us to create this awareness. And now we are doing this cyclothon again in the January end 21. And we would request all of those who are seeing this and interest to cycle, welcome to come here and join us cycling along with Mr. Stefan. We also have a vertical in the field of education where we have a program called Mission Billion Books with the aim to donate 1 million educational books to 10,000 schools and colleges pan-India. We are importing these educational books from World Bank, Washington, D.C. We are importing these English books from our communities in India. And we are also collecting used educational books from parents of children who go to the next standard in schools or colleges or professionals with a reverse pickup of 10,000 pin codes across India. All the books are sorted subject-wise, category-wise, and donated free of cost to libraries across India. And we do exhibition where in each exhibition around 100,000 books are displayed, all sorted like a bookstore. And from that respective district, principal, teachers, and librarians are invited. They come, collect the books of their choice, absolutely free of cost for the schools and college libraries. Since inception of this program in July 2016 till 31st of March, we have donated 900,000 educational books to more than 4,000 schools and colleges across India. And in the coming year, before December, we are going to export a container of books to countries in Far East and in Africa for creating libraries in rural in Africa and Far East. We also tied up with the Rotary India Literacy Mission, so that any Rotary Club across India works with the school, we'll be giving them educational books free of cost to set up happy libraries. We have set up open library in Bombay with 25,000 books where people can come, students can come and borrow books absolutely free of cost for the education. In order to reach out to villages across India, we have partnered with the ECC Trust and have started a library on wheel program where car seats have been removed, library shelves have been put, filled with 1,200 books in the car. And the car goes to village every day and teaches the children about education, gives them books to read. And every month we visit the same village to take the old books back and give the new books to them. We also have food for education program where in our kitchen, the cooks working with us get up at 5 a.m. in the morning, cook the food by 7 o'clock. We have 4 tempos and 4,500 meals are served to 4,500 children in their schools every day in the city of Bombay in 42 schools since past 15 years. With the help of nutritionists, we have identified a weekly menu. So the first hot meal of the day the student gets in their school. This helps them to attend the school. Parents are happy because children get the food, children get the education, and school get the students. And these are free schools. And the students are children of street vendors who sell food stuff on the road, construction workers and migrant laborers who come across entire parts of rural India to Bombay city to earn their living. It's a wonderful program, having served more than 2.5 crore meals since its inception in 1998. Several years ago, there were terrorist attacks in city of Bombay. After that, in a totally 4 attacks, 391 children, earning member of family passed away. So we adopted those 390 children and gave them scholarship to complete their education till college. So 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 11 years. Each students were mentored, counseled. Funding was given to complete his or her education. And today, last year, all 391 children are fully educated. Some of them are working in IT companies. Some of them are fashion designer. Some of them are doctors. Some of them are security people. And now 89 children are being provided scholarship this year, their siblings. Wonderful program that we are running. In healthcare, we do medical camps across India and take a team of volunteers and doctors together, set up several OPDs in the rural area with help of a local NGO partner, and give all the health services in various avenues. We have also a program called Vision 1 Million, the aim of donating 1 million high quality prescription glasses to needy students and adults in our state of Maharashtra. This is an initiative by Essilor Vision Foundation of France and Ratnanidhi Trust. We have imported a container of lenses from Essilor. A team of doctors goes to all the schools in rural Maharashtra every day, do the vision correction checking, gives us the spectacle numbers of each student. We manufacture the spectacle with the lenses given by Essilor and deliver back to the students, with the help of which student is able to read what is written on the blackboard by their teacher and read the textbooks, and then able to get good grades in his exams and pass. We also have set up Mumbai Urban's Eye Care Center in Bombay, where ophthalmologists are sitting, a free diagnostic for anybody who walks in. For medical camp, which we did at Chandrapur, a tribal Naxalite belt in the state of Maharashtra, with ACC Trust and MZ and KZ Foundation of UK, we delivered diagnosed, treatment, and medicine to more than 10,000 rural population of the state. We set up 7 to 8 OPDs, the team of 170 volunteers and 30 doctors to give general checkup, blood pressure, pediatric consultation, eye checkup and care track. Spectacles were donated, prosthetics were given, dental screening was done, and the excrucian and cavity and scaling was done to 2,700 people. Gynecology consultation was done, and BMI index was done of malnourished children, and medicines were given, and cancer detection also we did there. It's a collaborative model of partnering with a local non-profit, getting doctors from across the state and working together to make a difference and giving high quality medical treatment to those who never have received any treatment over the years of their life. We have a community welfare intervention where we collect used garments from society at large and use computers. These garments are checked, repaired, stitched, ironed, folded in polythene bags, and packed in polythene bags, and segregated each category gender-wise and stacked. Any NGO who is working for the community can collect those garments free of cost from us. Same way we do with used computers, which we collect from companies and individuals, laptops, desktop, and smartphones. We repair them and help to set up a computer centers in schools where they do not have any computers, so those poor children can have access to the highest quality of technology intervention and are able to see the Discovery Channel, National Geographic, and Google and Khan Academy across the world, and have aspiration to lead the India into next century. During COVID relief, when Corona struck India and the country of millions and billions of people, we started 5 kitchens, and we are cooking a nutritious khichdi, which is packed individually in aluminum containers. And these 5 kitchens, with a team of 45 cooks and 40 volunteers, we are cooking meals for 9,000 people every day in the city of Bombay. The help of 4 to 5 vehicles and drivers, we are delivering these meals to 14 slums of Bombay, to migrant workers who have come from outstation to for the livelihood in city of Bombay, and daily wage earners. All of them are jobless because all businesses, all shops, all restaurants, everything is closed, totally under strict 100% lockdown. And they have no means to earn daily livelihood. To them and to their families, 9,000 people are being fed from our kitchens every day. Till yesterday, we have crossed more than 800,000 people have been fed from our kitchen. And now we have named this project a Mission Million Khichdi. The aim to ensure that we will continue to cook this nutrition meal every day and feed it free of cost to needy underprivileged people who does not have even any means to not only to earn a living, even to feed a stomach for their own and for their families. For the years, 91 children provided scholarship, 4,000 students and adults provided with Essilor spectacles, 260,000 people provided more prosthetics, 850,000 books donated, 11 lakhs garments donated, and 25 million people, students have been given meals in the Food for Education program. Last year, Government of Maharashtra invited us to sign up 3 memorandum of understanding with them to provide prosthetics, educators to poor districts in the state of Maharashtra which are not yet developed, so that intervention can make a difference in the lives of millions of people in our states. Over the years, many dignitaries have visited our project and have blessed us, and we are fortunate. The blessings of these people, we have enough motivation and power to go ahead in our life and to make a difference. Some of the coverings and laurels we received from the press, Forbes and Times of India, our work and its impact. If you see now, our model of working is partnership and collaboration. With Google.org, ACC Trust, Rotary India Literacy Mission, World Bank Washington DC Book Project, IIT Bombay, Essilor Foundation of France, Pratham Education, Willis Tower Vision, Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, RBL Bank, Somadi Netatel of Germany. These are the partners who work with us hand in hand to make a difference. They come with us with goods, merchandise, volunteers. We create programs, and together we end up doing projects and the programs to make a difference. Hope you had enjoyed the video and the photographic presentation of the impactful work that we are able to do. As informed earlier, working with interesting people and companies around the world, we look forward to an opportunity for your ideas and suggestions to work together with us in any field which you think could benefit the lives of millions. You can just email us at info@ratnanidhi.org or visit our website www.ratnanidhi.org and get connected with us. Thank you and look forward.